See all this hair and gunk? This is what's hiding inside your Dyson Omni-Glide nozzle right now. And if you don't clean it out, it's going to slow your vacuum down. Or worse, damage the rollers. Let me show you exactly how to fix it. It takes about 5 minutes. So the Omni-Glide has this really cool design. It's got 2 soft rollers instead of 1, which is why it can steer in every direction. Super fun to use. But there's a downside. That dual roller setup has a lot of little gaps and corners where hair and dirt love to hide. I tested this vacuum a couple of years ago and haven't used it much since. And look how much hair built up. So if you're using yours every day, definitely worth cleaning. Alright, first thing, look for this red lever right here. Press it down and slide the rollers out. Nice and easy. Now with the rollers out, you can see the axles. And this is usually where the worst hair wrap happens. See that? That's all tangled hair. You've got a few options to get it off. You can use scissors and carefully cut through the hair. Or if you have a seam reaper or one of those little hook tools, that works great for pulling the strands loose. Long nose pliers work too. Whatever you've got on hand. Take your time here. You want to get as much off as you can. Now grab a microfiber cloth. And I specifically say microfiber because dust and grime stick on it instead of getting pushed around. Go around all the nooks and crannies on the nozzle. There are a lot of tight spots on this thing, especially under the slip right above where the rollers sit. Get in there. This is the step most people skip. See these little caster wheels at the bottom? They enable the Omni-Glide to do its 360-degree steering thing, and they get clogged up. One of mine actually stopped spinning completely. Hair and dirt jammed it up. I had to use the pliers to pull the gunk out, so definitely check yours. If your rollers are really dirty, like they smell, or they're visibly grimy, you can wash them with water and let them dry completely before putting them back. Mine weren't that bad, so I skipped this. But it's a good idea if you have pets or use your vacuum a lot. Now here's one thing to watch out for. The 2 rollers are not the same. Each one goes in a specific slot. So check which side it came out from before you slide it back in. If it doesn't click in place easily, you probably have it backwards. Swap them around and try again. And that's it. The whole point of doing this isn't to make it look brand new. That's not really possible. It's to stop dirt from building up to the point where it actually wears out your nozzle faster. I'd say do this once a month if you use it regularly. Your Omni-Glide will run better and last longer. If this helped, hit that like button. And if you want to see how the Omni-Glide performed in my actual tests, I'll link the video right here.